Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And let's see how we can add an already installed game to your Epic Games launcher. First, locate the folder where your games from Epic are installed by right-clicking a different installed game in the Epic Games launcher, and going to Manage, then clicking the folder icon. Now, let's use Horizon Chase Turbo as an example. Rename the already installed game folder to something different from the original, like Horizon Chase Turbo Real. Then begin downloading the desired game. Select the same installation folder when prompted during the installation process, and start the installation. Cancel the installation once it begins downloading. Now go back to your directory for downloaded games and change the name of the newly created folder back to the original game's name, such as Horizon Chase Turbo, and mark the old one to be deleted later. Now resume the installation, and it will verify your game files instead of re-downloading them. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.